Hello, guys. Hello, everybody. Please join us. You are joining. Share this video. Give the video love and like. Okay. Hello. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. Hello, everybody. I'm not Jay. I'm coming, guys. Let me share. Let me share. Okay. Hello. Please, guys, Mona, give this video love and like. Okay. Mona, also share. Invite your loved ones. Invite your friends. Invite your neighbors. Invite everybody invitable. Okay. I off this light. They enter my eye. Guys, I'm coming. Okay. I'm also trying to share the video. So please, as you are joining, give the video love and like and share. Mona, go invite all these miscreants come for me. Mama Joy, Don Prince, or who is Franco Mozuo. Wanna go bring them come for me. I have a message for them as their mama. As their mama. As they come, okay, I'm trying to quickly share before we start this video. So that we not go get any distraction, alright? So that we not go get any distraction. Nothing go disturb us. Make I quick share the video. So that our enemies could see them well. So that they will shine their eye. Back up page. How na day? Oh my, good morning. Please, guys, give the video love and like and share. Okay? Give the video love and like and also share. Help me to share. Share with your loved ones, your neighbor, and your guy, your boyfriend, your girlfriend. Okay? So, my people, without wasting much of your time, right? I believe so now see all these Chris women stroke Chris men and Chris boys and brothers. Yeah, I watched video where Don Prince do yesterday, and I want to analyze that video to una. I want to play that video to una, and I want to make una listen, because these people they claim say when they come outside they don't talk to me, that is they not near me and they not get issue. I just carry on the drag them, which not be true, because I was on my own. Even somebody where they say, "By may I so rest in peace." Okay, I'm not trying to be disrespectful. I'm fine. I'm not trying to be disrespectful, guys. Okay? If not, I'm not supposed to come and talk about this late woman. You understand? But these people, they try to make it look like, now you no feel like her. Now me like her. Now me there with her. Now me there close to her. Of this person, a person will be say, she don't buy. Everybody get right to mourn this lady in peace. But Mama Joy and Don Prince, because of saying now they buy this lady, that is the truth. Believe it or leave it. Now they buy this lady. And they buy this lady because of their selfish interest. Because of now only me go chop where they worry them. Now they take back this lady. Now they get me so, my people. Now they take back this lady. All these years when I know this woman, when I know this Abiyuwa, yeah, I've never for once tell her, say, see where you go waka rich, see where you go play rich. Or make I can't even they use these people as scapegoats. Even when I know what they do to this lady, no be waiting I no see. Now waiting happen for my eyes. Now waiting I see koro, and many of una see that same thing on this media. How Don Prince, Mama Joy with their squad bully this lady. Mama Joy called this same innocent woman, adulterous woman with no evidence. I come at I tell Mama Joy, say, this woman where you they call adulterous woman, so she know the husband house. You feel to say she get guy, okay, and she don't want to be with that guy anymore. She and that guy, they know they draw one rope again. You understand? So don't label her adulterous woman, see say she their husband house. Because a lot of people know they're not there close to this woman. A lot of people not there close to this woman. A lot of people don't know the way this woman they do her things. A lot of people don't know how this woman they operate, you know. So you can't just come outside and accuse this woman, say she be an adulterous woman. And people, they believe you. I'm not saying Mama just a bit lie. And she they lie where we're not be smarting. Una they get me so. Now, Don Prince come outside because why they do this video and why I want to analyze Don Prince video. Because Don Prince come outside now and Mama Joy, they claim say they not do me anything. They claim say I purposely come outside because they insult them. I even hear some information say me and Frank don't settle. Now that one even make me laugh pass. I even hear some information say me and Frank don't settle. Say me and Frank they talk. Like I don't get it. As for Mama Joy way they inside. Here Joy way there is one post a picture. We guys a post a picture. We guys a post a picture. Who do they helpless? Because it's so obvious, say you they find where to run inside. You they run enter scatter. How you want a whole queen? How you want a whole queen? Alright, picture we had to post. Why am we full gallery? Why am we full gallery? Because yeah, obomi, yeah, toshy way. Way they restless. Who yes siran. They 56 years old. They 56 years old. Me I tell you because Isunwe masi me ho. Isunwe is a very little thing for me to solve. So guys, listen to how they drag me into this late Abiyuwa issue. May I so rest in peace. Mona see how they draw me enter. Because they do the thing finish now. Don Prince go come out. The reason why Queen they cry, because the woman not they give her money again. The reason why Queen call the fatters, they not they tell truth. I want play and phone now. May una see how these people, the first interview where they go do, and they involve my name. Then we'll come play the video where Don Prince do yesterday, where they claim say he not near me, he not do me anything. Because many people go be like, maybe they feel say because I did against their nonsense sticker buhe justice where they say they want sick. So they feel say, oh, maybe na Frank I they support or I they fight for Frank. I know they would they fight for that one. I don't need to explain to anybody. Me self they come for that one. Because I see message you say for me. So I get reply for them.
Because of people where they do saga, they go, don't say, so presenters they do saga now because the woman not they give them money again. So they call the jealous Don Prince and some of the people where the woman call the call. So now make you see some of these presenters where come out the saga or say now the Prince buyer, now this one buyer, because those one were jealous. The work where the fair they do before, and they call bros 1 minute. Bros, I need to have to back in 30 minutes. This guy comes out with video and share. So the work where the fair they do before, when they make Abiola leave the Quito show. He said the Quito show to the bill. He said money where they spend for Quito show is big way. He said to say not like when they say you come over the bill. Even the Quito show, no office swear. But Abiola say he could pay half rent. He get stage where he record the place. So the thing come like say, why you can't turn the woman to office or the name of Gomoda? I think my copy post. A bizugbe where they side. A bizugbe now.
My people, now hear that place. Now hear that place. Okay. This one are the first useless video where Domugu na awa berawa. First video where he can't do, where he won't talk with it by upa. Una hear what he talk. Say, the woman, the queen touch, why must you put, what it concern me as you? And I don't say, you say, since when you talk this one, say, the woman was paying my house rent. I say, go bring receipts, come. Talk is cheap, evidence is key. Go and bring the receipts. If it be said the woman really pay for me, I don't know when she take pay. So with your receipt and evidence, I go receipt and say, okay, she pay. You carry me to platform where not be your pound. Platform where you don't try so hard to drop. You carry me go there. Go they lie on me. What you know happen? Because of this word where you talk, I go swear for your children head. Say, she dey pay us rent for me. So since when you know, say she dey pay us rent for me and the evidence there for you, there with you, why you never post them? Why you never post them? Now, here Joy. Mama Joy also come outside. Can't talk this same thing. Where Don Priest talk. And I told you guys that the issue I get with this woman now to go saga 2 people. Even that time we did inside association, we did inside that meeting where we did. And I also let her know that I know if we saga these 2 people, they're not even doing anything to start with. We be friends. We are good friends. Nobody dies with it, you know. So why will you want me to go and saga these people because say the girl where they inside they call your name? The girl they call your name. What is my business with that? Why don't want to take concern me say the girl they call your name? Now Frank told the girl, and I the girl agree. You now find out say the girl they knock Frank. You come on me go they fight the girl for nothing. Thanks for joining my lady Mama Chelsea. Good morning, Mama. They say Mama Joy they insult herself. That woman no they respect herself. Yes, my lady. Thanks for joining the Dr. Rita. Thanks for joining, Mama. You understand? Because you know say that Mama Joy. Me, I will do message for Julie Yosma. Because she said that Julie be her mama. I wish Julie na be her pikin. And she they bring people picture, everything they come at. So before I go start to swear Ogun for that Julie, I go first let her know what her mama they do. Because I don't know why she, as Julie Yossi reach, you can use presenter to do mama. Mama Joy now they talk to Queen Rita now because of say she feel say Queen Rita is my godmother, Queen Rita is this name maker. So Julie self now goddaughter. May she no surprise say he do amwe bogboni in a very sharply way. I don't know what they worry all these people. Mama Joy now go come aside. She go say she not do me anything. Don Prince go come aside. He go say he not do me anything. The reason why I play this part, I go cut and keep. I go cut and keep because this one I wear these people for come aside. They spoil my name. Person will not pay us rent for me. Even if he tell you say, I pay us rent for Queen. You not supposed to get sense as a presenter where you be say, Mama, what the evidence in it? Because he had time a Queen or deny. What the evidence in it post why you not ask her like that? Instead, because of hatred, evangelism, you own your platform. He said, now go Mama Kunita. Oh, Mama Jima on again. E de deni. He me a constructed it. He a constructed it because body they pepper they. She they practice they come. She just send me send all those things. Now let them be with the problem of all of them. Thanks for joining Priceless Good. No, some people no one know like that. They don't want know like that. Now they get me so. Now Don Prince and Mama Joy, ye Joy, no sungu we de newerowa. Listen to how una take on find my trouble. Where I did my own they mind my business. Because una don't still forget. No. Make I remember una. See, this interview wanna do.
If you talk another issue,
it was all about me.
No.
Not be this one. This one I will play.
And this one. Because of people where they do saga, they go. No say so presenters they do saga now because the woman not going to give them money again. So they call the jealous Don Prince.
It starts with some presenter. They call the jealous Don Prince. They do saga now because of say the woman not they give them money again. Okay, Mona listen you.
Some of the people where the woman call the call. So now make you see some of these presenters will come at the saga or say now the priest buyer, now this one buyer because those one were jealous. The work where the fair they do before, the work where the fair they do before, and they call bros 1 minute. Bros, I need to have to back in 30 minutes.
This
guys don't solve the video and share. So the work where the fair they do before, when they make Abiola leave the Queen Talk show. He said the Queen Talk show to the billion. He said money where they spend for Queen Talk show is big well. He said to say not like when they say you come over the billion. Even the Queen Talk show, no office swear. But that they will say he could pay half rent. He get stage where he record the pay. So the thing come back, come like say, why you come turn the woman to office or the name of Gomoda, that do my cottage post. A bizugbe where they side. A bizugbe now what?
Now my own side, let me forget interest. Una see how they take involve me. The reason why I talk say the nonsensical buhe justice where they can't find they not go see him. He say why this guy did lie. The nonsensical buhe justice where they say they can't find. This was the reason I said they're not going to see him again. Because before they do this video, I never they talk to them all. I was just on my own. I did my own, minding my business. I don't even talk to any of them. You can go and check my posts. Only for me to see Don Prince online. For platform where you don't fight so hard to drop. They talk this kind of rubbish. Say, now so the woman, they pay my rent. Now so the woman, with no evidence. With no evidence. He just talk and finish. He said the woman said the reason why. Now me dump the woman. She they see me now, no they see her. Now me dump her. Yes. She cried to me, say, somebody won't get they talk, they mention her name. Me, I let her know, say, me, I not fit fight this girl because of, say, she date Frank. Because I know that was that one offense. Because that one date Frank. I tell her, say, now Frank told this girl agree. So I know if you go fight this girl, or they saw this girl. After all, she know he sought you. Two people like that. Now I tell her, say, no, I no go. Where she take comot for where I did. Go the next bus stop. She go meet a Bisugbe no do the same thing. Pa bisugbe no do. Now they get me so. So Don Prince, you come outside with no evidence. Can't they lie on me? If that woman really they pay my ass rent, I still they talk her. As they break, so say that woman they it's your thing. So you say I dupe her money to take go UK. If I dupe that woman money to take go UK, if that woman really they pay my rent, which another thing you talk? Make her head, since she don't buy now, make her head quick call me. But if this woman not really do any of these things, where you and Mama Joy gang up, they put on her head, so that woman head, he go call her. That woman head not go rest until she pay una, because she's supposed to don't see una say una they useless. Una they say saga, they give the woman, they call the woman come saga because of una selfish interest. Because una no say una call her to come saga, the woman go saga, you give una money. So una come turn her to office. Una come waiting there she they give me money, no man. I never want they talk say she know they give me money. She they give me money, but no be to the extent of say the ones where she do, una leave that one. Una not even they talk about the one where she do, so that I look and say, after all, now what she do? The one where she not do, now una come they claim say she do. And if that allegation are true, Don Prince and Mama Joy, una say me dupe a beer you were able Daniel state. Una say me dupe her. Is it not €5,000? I be $5,000. Where she say she want to carry me go UK. If not truth, may I not meet up for this life. Anything when I open, I may not progress. But if not lie, say I not dupe that woman. Anything concerning UK matter, or maybe she can't pay my rent. Don Prince, your children will remain useless. You go remain useless. Mama Joy children go remain useless. Una grandchildren go remain useless. Una life go remain useless. And I bear you ahead must pay una. Because she not say una this one they do. She not say una. She not say una because even she know where she for the lie and where she for the talk truth. I will not because of you guys to come they insult the lady. No. I no go because of una come they bully that lady. The few time when we take play where she did with me, where we take day, because of that, I go respect her. Just leave her. Even if say what she tell una truth, she really tell una something like that, or she not tell una. How will I even know that? Not be loud and they fabricate. She even get time to discuss that kind of thing with una. Okay, una bring receipts. Come. Now like they talk then. Yes, now they pay, yes. Una bring receipts come out. When una bring Frank receipt come out, yeah? Una no hide the amount. Una no hide the amount. Una expose the amount. Make the whole world see. Make the whole world follow na calculator. So why it can't reach other people too? Una can't they cover the amount. Which una papa head una they cover am for? Who na they cover am for? Who say una that kind message self to start with? Who na they cover am for? Not be the right time for na to expose everything for us. I be this. Because Mama Joy wey dey 56 years old in all who she can't dey write paper. He can't give queen. I just dey look una just dey laugh. Everybody knows so na dey lie. But the reason why I decided to answer una, I just won't beat una. And I want make sure say a justice if I born one more at the social media. No level. Our markets. Una CC road. My play video where Don Prince do yesterday. Where they claim say he not do anything. He not do anything. Make I play that video for now. I think I downloaded that video. I pray I just see. Or I will just go. Okay, let me go page direct. Please, guys, mona me thumbs up, okay? Mona thumbs up. Mona consider. Make una consider. All these people. Conspiracy. The conspiracy, it backfired them.
I never see where Oba swear for this man. Lori Tori. Although matter matter. Hey, Eva Mario, the matter now are lock up in video. Okay, the boy Nana pay 200,000. Oh, no pay 200,000 in here. Hey, you don't have what?
My blessed mommy Rita, enemy.
Oh, no,
especially
the police Yamwe.
See, so only you don't have what they shot. Who help? Hey, Papa go suffer now.
Hey, boy, now. Send you go no anyway, now send you the fair.
Okay.
Now the hear me so. You never know this boy before. He shot man because he passed a day walk. Wait, man, whether if I feel call it back.
Mona Lisi to waiting the con they use Abia you what they do. The reason why Abia you are con broke. Mona Lisi. Wada me yan yon we get no muya. The confessing na their own homie. Wani ma say.
I just me pick.
Mona de Lisi. Please, guys, as you are joining, thumbs up the video and share, okay? When I mean they give this video love.
Tell me saying they work just now.
Guys, they call a party, then they call for years. So when I go here, waiting, he go tell a party.
So
waiting happiness do. How they take on they play a beer you want money. Now go listen. Now they listen. The reason why they do security job. They do per money different ways. These people. No me na man level social media na talk with you.
Yeah. Okay. Matter no TV iba, real live video.
Thanks for joining.
MC Happiness.
Live video yesterday that someone saw you and Frank Victor in Roma. Say na that they una settle. Me go be here your so me if you get message for your muzzle, me go I know because of the push. I want message Frank. I see video where they talk nonsense.
Could you believe the way
for the
boy now?
Me will go settle with Frank at the Chris. Not the social media is me. You don't apologize to me.
Okay. So now
I know they do anything off social media. All my life now on social media. Mona Lisi.
Okay. Number one. Ni take care my way, no ya sunu we. Where? Okay. Because even in a boy, we are seeing banner we may land. Or I just pick a call we. Me ask Papa where worry we can go make for ne. Okay.
For those who don't understand what they talk about here, he call a party. He call they tell a party say happiness do video. Talk say let Abia you are they lie. Say Abia you are too they lie. So he can say why happiness go do that kind video for let Abia you are. Now he can they report happiness to a party to say happiness don't dupe somebody that politician where they say Abia you are give money. That politician where they say Abia you are give money. Get what he call na ogberaga. Abi na igbeagi I call no. Now we hear the politician name just now. He say your chair is dripping. My lady. He say even the attitude is a green snake under the green grass. So he called the talk say happiness shop the woman. That is happiness shop money where they give them, make it do politics matter. He's supposed to use our campaign for that Ogberaga. He'll call it just now, don't know the man anywhere. So he'll call the name just now. As happiness, that now connect happiness to one man for America, or what they call it an amigo, may happiness go do advert for them. Happiness go to say, in go the man, they say the man na Ogion Ba. So he no fit do advert for Ogion Ba. I mean here, okay, thank you, my lady, thank you. He come to say, he no fit do politics advert for Ogion Ba. So happiness, they can't give happiness money. Happiness in all my wagon, that one swallow money to we face. They can't look everywhere. The prince will be presenter. Don't prince will be presenter. Me go involve for money with happiness. Happiness go shop that money. I go and go give me that money. But don't prince leave happiness with chop money. he can't go they draw Abiewa the money. Abiewa na is one more different bases, more different bases high. Abiewa start to they pay different bases money way no chop. So take go even they give governors, not before governors. The Ogberaga money, can they give her money? Now yeah, now you want talk, you want report to a party so Mona listen.
So now, you not say that when you take one to or a typical because a bo, I assume you say the bon. When time when now, in case of a question on your hand, no, even no verbal, you don't have verbal. Wait here, don't get pick a cut. I'm away to prison life.
Who be you?
We are going to get pick a cut. One get pick a cut because a fake life in live.
Eh? Say for Don Prince to campaign for an Ogionba, meaning Don Prince is also an Ogionba. Yes, ma. Shame never let her go come and talk to her. This boy. This boy. Mona listen. Attitude they call happiness. Happiness he made Don Prince.
Opika.
I might pick him a quick voice again because of this man, the cultivate.
Yeah, what she man, yeah, he made it laugh. Because they were not bon. I'm fear human beings. Okay, Prophet Atiti, one of you has to know, we are giving business scenario. They part the ball, and I come with business scenario. When it's an Agimune, part the bonnet with Don Prince as a lawyer boy in the beginning, and I okay, you only made it by the matana, and I okay. Man at the price, you're not paying me. So now, based on where a Mavelle Jabio have gone, and where people are going, a Jabio have it, now with Mave Pyran, Migo Arena, now we are a business in Yamuri, Maya Capi. So now we are taking one lawyer bob in Nigeria, they do MC Happiness. And I was a mamma involved by. When I involved happiness in Metabu Wena. And I was a number one involved by, and I want ma, since when I involved by, me about whip Ranomigo Guan. Make it what call it Pyran, me one woman, since aware of Eticapi, and I will no shaking connected, and may I connect happiness. Maggie Guanene said they no better on me, get no call it Pyran, me go where everything do okay.
Yes, no.
You're like Guan, or 200,000, no, yes, winner. Now, me reside me swim with me. A part the ball or swim with a girl do. A boy na mason winner. A boy na mason winner. As a 1 week better, 2 weeks better, 3 weeks better. Boy na my video rock back. Para no migo na ati mewa. Don Prince. Boy na we who are don't film war. I bet we don't boy na film go.
Na the list.
Me go film go. E me buy boy na my video. E me ye surprise. Me tie boy na sis. E boy na ma pick a call. When tana, a boy na o ma pick a call. When meta.
You are done with
In a way, he call a boy na sis. O ma pick a call. Man, not see. So from there, MNA it Lady Abio you are. In a way, mama, a boy na no introduce mama. Could you believe the way a boy na or ma pick a call?
Don Prince, he are no what akpa. What can be you wa? Can politics wa? Don Prince. So we wa meti wa la be you wa left. When they wa the read your own wa see and they na be here. Why you can be you wa? Can politics wa? Thanks for joining Salt and Saga Ministry. Boy, you can be what can politics wa, and I may be what you got recommend a happiness in wa. The position of the waga give a politics wa ni. Boy, you can be you what can politics wa Don Prince. And I making you do a most and on my head, little work here. Who went in the politics, Ogberaga politician. No way I support. Don Prince, how way. Ready me wave Jena. A power can make me politics. A politics government I do it. Thanks for joining Mama Good, my mommy Global TV. A politics government I do it. Who me go lawa? Who me go no ya we campaign lawa? Why do you go no mama la jun de bed your vene? It's not your personal money. It's money that government gave you to go and share for your and do your campaign. What you campaign? What can politics? What don't prince? When did your whole nigga see a lena video here? So that be why you can a politician to tie. I be one is one mosa hallelujah. He didn't. I wish if he come back to see the way you now do her for this and those cyberspace. I wish I be you if he come back to see what you now make her pass through. Or you a politician, you're a politician, you're a politician. They are business taku in family, a business in ado. Don't prince. What it can be what can win a politician. Hi.
When metana. Egi pique ko na we ari go ne boy na ne egi pique ko ime no se e wa le dia be wona we ne retie could you believe the way o tie boy na the boy na pique ma pique ko le dia be wa le dia be wa tie the boy na ma iri a pique I think the boy na u pa o we ma be voice ko no se dige we no call we baton emo we later ere ado awuzo e mana na wa bi evidence e me ware la fina asa ye gbonu. I'm going to matter. When me laugh now, nye koluwe, never pretend. Me we laugh.
Don't press your bogunu. A narcissist no so where I go any day. Now no narcissist. Now go come they follow you. They argue word. Then when you so ready, you see you or hear you go say a matter watana. Whereas I go away. E u watu ena. Na so na life be. For you happiness, can abia you wa? Do can win a politician no your back. Now what back or bad do not talk. Oki care for a palace okay. Where honor is Ogyoba. Ogyoba ni wega campaign na don't praise. Uvia campaign Ogyoba ni madime. We now wa we mo abia you wa. I thought abia was only fans of presenter. Me who wanna wa me ye politics. Are we gonna say a politician in my people? Go here. Are we gonna say ye politics in me? Go twin. My people. People if tell me. I lock up because I don't see evidence. Dana ido tie. No there. Let me tell you say, So this the way this woman call me for America tell me the truth. Are we a politician here support him na iladia? Irigonia. They wanna irigonia. Ah, shaisi.
About the ladia we come about atove. They be worry laughing na ogun asaye gbenu ave boyo tell me meta.
On a yaweti happiness seller. Happiness e don prince yeti nenyota. E don prince ma enegbe. Gele mata no. When e don prince ti me anu muta. Ogun gbere. Daughter no me like the ni my voice say class ni. The who dey me and I become that level. Who are do tie me I no don prince o anu ogun gbera. Dera ogun gboe. Who were suhungu. Happiness in a shone waiting neota. Wanna listen to what happiness talk. Guys, please love and like and share this video. Mona share. Yana ya bi wa ya bi politics. Yana ya bi wa zo bogo.
Party. Ubere wo me wa yo no. Ubere wo gwe gwa so dey free. O ye bere life na we ya ze ya e ma te ya bo wa.
Yo bogun we don pray.
Be ga gbon.
O e ma taro pa.
Okay, now we better me marry the same call. No gwan odo te ma taglete mi ani e tare la we facing. O ba do ale.
O ma gbon we kina gba platform.
I'm telling you the truth.
If he watch you, why you go call for your platform? What's the woman ya a platform happiness? No go. You have
Party.
You happiness in Kingdom Prince. You happiness in him. To happiness in Madova where those cyberspace now. Even for the media space. Happiness in Madova where. Or Madova where no war. Even where be page ne. No se when ore UK mu. Every happiness in be page okay. When you go the platform happiness in here. No ugiye keve no ugiye kena. Ewo bi what ya dede. Dano babe. Ewi agbuzi. O happiness or you have a jump away. Or wo ma gbon. Ma bega gbon we. The live video we. Honor disrespect you we seeing. Do you think this kind of a thing can happen in my platform? No. Only the difference. I go boy. I carry we zero mentality. You don't have anything upstairs. You don't have anything upstairs. Manner of approach you don't have. Where go mwene you water who go zuo. Alternative they don't know where they not don't prince. What can be you can politics in wagaje? Because a politician in here with bragra, big bragra, a big baragam. I get what they call her. Now here the name just now of the politician. Ni ama bi wage bi wana ito aziro. Hey, salobwa.
Bagwan. E no ri me I don't
Prince or it for the old media. Don Prince is the smallest presenter so far. Yes. Don Prince is the smallest presenter so far. Now, waiting people get, now they fight for. Waiting people get, now they fight for. You get Vance, you know you bobo. Waiting people get, now I day. Ask him, waiting he don't build for himself. Waiting he don't achieve for himself. A page you know, load it tomorrow, now your family page. He never even feel create and build his page single-handedly. Without to much share video, okay? Or I mean, not even see 1K view after 5 days. But your happiness is over in the Facebook now. When happiness or talk boy don't press. Ujan or babe, Ogyo ba, okay. You wanted happiness to come and contest or Ogyo ba. No do I will vote in Ogyo ba. Wa asungu. It get where I want me to talk, Chris. Before I go answer you for this your Ogyo ba matter. It get where I want me to talk.
I want you to make trust eh. So me go egwa ni edo ya tawe eleji abio wa toregbe after we wona wune be wo ya mo me ni hi ladian owe abio wa toregbe.
Thanks for joining Faith Lawan. Thanks for joining.
Metana.
Thanks for joining.
Only omu mo.
I said to
so from there
Mama Faith.
Me call le abio wa we era mi go si mego ne.
Thanks for joining.
Ona wo ko mo ya.
I love my life.
Le abio wa ya pego ni. Eva magi o me ma. Where? Yes, now, Elejabia will not pay the 200.
Not yet. Say, I bear you won't pay the 200 or something. No be only this occasion. No be only this occasion for different occasion. Different occasion. I bear you one is one more high. Now, my question to Don Prince as a presenter that you are. Oma Amo was a Don Prince. Where to the platform when you show Sani? No mi go ni wobo. Without to marule ya tia bia yuwa. Igo no mio woni. If you talk for this video, say, if I bia yuwa want give am money, now 1,500,000. I bia yuwa la money. He confess for the video, na my people. Or hanta or we imasi. Or waiting a temata. Thank you, Mommy Global. Or waiting a temata. Or we must Don't praise wa bien wa igaye 1,500,000 go we there. Uwe godota re. Uwe boyfriend ore. Uwe friends and well wishers ore. Wo igaye 1,500,000 go there. Don't praise. Unwa bie wa mosoti ewe mu wi gbogbo Evans Unwa bie iwani. Almost so zewe popo. Vedi ye joe oni minami one. Osi e bagbo magi honey. Oni lejo lere end of the weekend. No wo man do gagmuwa. Then waya fia bie iwa go. Then waya fia igo. Wo vie. What you we boyfriend oge. We o wana wati e wo ke janwe. Ton prince. Then we are the politician wana ya fia igo. Igo ni uwa vomite. Uwa ha vomita igo ni. Uwa ha bokeya. O bungbe tian. E uwa yo ko ni do any here.
Oge pay. Eva Mario, the matter now are lock up in video.
You see?
Okay, the boy nana pay 200,000. I will not pay 200,000 here. Eh, you do atawa otalori. I will not pay. Na madore police ya mwe. Onye do atawa toge. Ana ate do police mwe do.
Gunweba. To do police mwe do.
Yes na. He ate le society applique.
Wo
jino. For real. But the lady wanna settle the issue amicably.
Ogun gbera don prince. Igo rere nu we fi vitali, we ke le vitali ma. Igo nu we fi be kasavatuno. E bonu we ga friend. E ge ni, iwe kama ina me pishoge. Ya rere vie pishoge la dian. E be hani nu fie igo ni. Don prince. A e do e police mu we wa. Nu gbe o. Nu lewu. Na ye police mwe happiness ba me 200,000. E bonu we fi more than 30,000 euros. Una gbo we yo le. Nana mi yana gien so. E sto mene nuna kinape ibie ke do gege vio yi ni agba shago vi wonu. Yana ya gien sto ni awe ma fi so nu we gbe kan. Aye police muwe. We ri go ni ladia. Uwe do ane Frank igo na we he support on it. Cause ma wa gba zo yin. I get message for that one.
Today, a boy na ladia. Also tawe woman your tori gbe. Why people they lie like that?
Don't please. Obidi me o tell me no.
Mona de lisi o.
Give me boy o tunu de go tunu.
Agwa. E vino gba di no de no sun guverdere wo do wa. Oh, gbe mo gbe igo. Oh, ge no ta social media ga gbo, ma ga gbe na gbe wa.
We happiness total o mama. Yeah. Give no total o. Ina do no water.
Mona de lisho.
Wa re live video wa active. Yeah. Una ge do ti. Ina do ti e wa ti happiness me na ti na we re wa yan so wa active. Na we no mutia.
Some I don't go. I thought they swear.
We live in here.
We were with the friends of Martin Dawson. Summer Rene.
Because also near Mureno man and Mata Ladia, or I built one your man on Wesore the matter, whoever money the matter.
So, very well, Western, in our Uzaba de Bawa.
I did it.
Yes, now, Mary do Gueguan. Then about what I wear. Why you
get be one? When I delete you, a matter my son, I like in a brand.
You beg me absolutely. When we are pay 200,000 and Amigo Reni, Utaliane, who are we calling an Amigo?
I'm very turning a government. You will get here government now, you mistake la boy are return. And it's only a government. Here politics are returning. One woman no we will be PDP and the camp like APC. One woman no we will be PDP and the camp like APC or no move APC and the camp like PDP. And it's only a government. When I have the wire, I don't know how she even come across you guys. Maybe no one has to do it. You are getting low. No wonder I know your security. No wonder I know your security job. No wonder.
When me wona nana, ubele when me wona nana. Yeah, later me take bedo last about what I love you other because yeah social media easy
than why are you so concerned with what happiness will go and say in other platforms? What you can work in happiness ya tell you away. A platform when I buy me okay. A platform of no be is your platform. No soon we de never wa advance no gbogbo. Na gbe na gbo ya ba gbogbo. Nu wa o avec bebe nu wa zuana. Nou wa fin an gou egbe dan egbe ni owo egbe ni zu asef egbe na ya gege gwa le gbe yan egbe ni u wete we gbegbe ni mekere e ma ke gbegbe ni re my brother u wa o ma ke nu we de jare la video nu agwa ma because tu owo wa ya tell the platform of it what you can we wo. Why is that your business? Where your platform over here at all? They pay you. Are you a boy? Happiness or disgrace way?
Yage, but not from days now. I'm a bon all the social media now. A quit also now a pretty bill at here. Or where on your way I said you go gume. And a bonyamu boga, I want an me and the quit also pretty. I want a galeno. A bonyamu be quit also so egbe. What a move me. Don't
Prince, damn you me. Ki always more queen. Aye bogebo. Ofen queen. Ofen. Uwe manaiti mwe boni. Uwu no ba bie iwo han gbuwe. Uwe mana ya mwe boni. Eni nu wa ya bie iwa dove Facebook no han sunu dabi wa. Unwa bia you want to buwa. Uwe manaiti mwe boni. We is a mwebo. Ma uwe ma sun saga we atemebo. Ikpan gbera awa bera. Uwe na ya ataga bia you wa pay asment me. We have evidence. Uwe e ba mo oge je. Gie boni wa abu. But una ba mo oge ne. We na ati ebo. Me yo oge we saga. But who were not bad me okay, when I see a bo. Ya we boni, ya equoy. Ihan way no, equoy give you way. E bonu wetie, ogbele mo you bo. E bonu we you no wetie, ogbele mo you wobo. Me swear with we. We are temebo. We na table. Do you know what is a bo? Mana e bo. Mi ahamwe bogbu we. Meje kwanera ya mwe bogbu we. Ni me buwe for the past how many days? Be me pay shishi. Who be ya pay go ya tie body me? Me yi go mwe bogwe. Ibe jigo senye bo. Ibe yi go kwe bogwe. A free of charge, you know. Free of charge. When me tamu wena. Mwe bo. Me sure we bon wa ya mu give one trailer because he may swing. Me, he may swing. Ogo meje o. Ogo meje bujo regwala me o. Don't Prince. You never see chonche. E tunye na hi. U wete we bado tono na. Me bado ewe. Ivien evidence we ya ni ke la dian. Ogun gbo e. E bon we ya mu gbake o bege go save gbake. Bonake mu gbo ona save gbo e. We ma bege she ma disgrace na ke tam wo save bona gele save gbo e. Edu wa ya 20 body wa izipa ne wa ya mwebo nina bia you wa me are so rest in peace they thought down the one ge ya mwebo no ya mu because majority of the things she was complaining about matter they thought ge ya mwebo so Don Prince ya mwebo we mana mwebo ni uwu no gba bia wo han gbo e wa is wa ge wa worry abume no be maniti ebo. Do you need me to give you contact of humanity ebo? We yati eboni. Mene kwina bere boni. Iya vie mi bani. Ija kwe boni. Ikwe giriwe. We ha ponu we gbe kemi. The media. Ya uwe sote. Umye keri unda. Ofin euhi. Ofin. We oma mwe. Orima gbe kwera. We na ladia. Ekweni. Abeli waga pay asset so abia iwana do tawo yin setting except erie mati ma ba bia iwa ya sun The enemy tana wa bie wa we ni medo ya saga meso mena wi mejo o si ezo di ma wa bie wa e bonu wi aya muni ogele gbimi o e no si ezo di ma boy o we ni asaga ma na wi sho we na run aga kun na run azuozuo una run me una la jian we abie wa ta ma we e kwini loro yen ise ti di go ne so for that reason me oni me ne kwini Oge boni de tare. Oge boni de tare. Wa wata wa o me boni ya wa reason be ka wa do me. Ika wa vie so ika wa declare so you are a life you are not them no miserable for me. Was the mo but was egbe o egbo enu amu setin. But amesu. When itama we na amesu. Wa vie joy. Wa vie joy ni. Imi amwe bogbuwa. Ane boni amu buwa. To han seve dag buwa. Because ima ba wa ori. Oro meji. Unu wa mamume. Nwa kesi ke justice. E fraki di rabia yuware. It's more than many months. Imaze yuwae. Did you see me interfere? No. For you to involve and put my name. Ya working yeke. Itamu wena we a justice na de gbegba. Today now ko. Frank might turn the table na mo you want. When I enter, we may settle with a Frank. With this video, we may settle with a Frank. And people now reach there just now. Or man, ya tiebo. Or why we buy me another fresh ore. Oh, igie kwa. Ebuwa, onya buwa.
Nana use media. Ebolomi. Nana use fake like social media. Yage ke feke ni meke ta me quit show we don't teme what eme sponsora atiti wa ireva ni meke ta me quit show no do teme ne a sponsora ya le jabie wa go quit show ma ba teme sponsorare oba wo no
Don Prince ive tagbira wo ma watch it. Now let me repeat it here. Uwi mena dupa abia iwago we abia wa mumere UK uwi mena dupa igo agele mie mena gele dupa abia iwago unwa abia iwani otere mu abia unwa egbere o ima dupa abia iwago even no na abia iwadi na man I think it was $600 or $500 or die ne di ma and ove mani nyave mani ove awe di business moha ma wijo Mota ma wijo when ni tama wena agele mi then we ate madupe abia iwago edo ya sun nwa bi wa tinemu o edo ya sun nwa bia iwa ni ara gbo ogbo mo o be gboko onu rie Yoruba o wi Yoruba no newe poti o be gbo gboko gbe mo emi se we na be webo nwa bia iwa ni o kin ato gbo wa Ime do giwe na we abia yuwa me dupa bia yuwa ego me dupa bia yuwa ego we go bia yuwa na wan wasa ti dupa ego we miove we dupa bia yuwa ego we miove onya bia yuwa u dupa ego u gelewie u mimia o mata that means we ma bia yuwa abia yuwa no ti si ego bolua ba ni go no ni mo oni boro abai when na dupe when I think it will be a doctor any or do any time when I don't Prince except me na dupa bi iwago ni o ima dupe igo ima dupe wanera abai we 5,000 euro we may not dupe 5,000 euro we may add UK except emi na matter emi matter u no gbera o nya gbo Ugu no gbera nana me wa nera bo waropa ti ri ogwela o ibi weja no fi ogwela ku we Don Prince e ya fi awulo ever si no yu gbogbo ya wa bi eke ose me oda wa boda ose no bi eke ya bata ose o ha se nu ese ne hiwe nda e mo ga jeve oru ewu mi aya wegbe to awasaga me wala dian temata talemata ya ni ro. Why must you add lies? What's the one I told you? Nobody any or what? Temata ve no ya sunu. Bo wu we adori oge yo don prince. E monu we biele ariana riave inyagedi huwe. E monu we yeki we bie inyagedi huwe. E tenati ajowa we yo maigbe. E renti ajowa we yo maigbe. E monu we bia afio we la wawa tinya ha wu no gbera ha gbiyan. Avena na mi owa nera bo waropa ti fi ogwe la o eri ogwe kan vi aje don prince.